Look, it's storming outside. Well, my neighbor's out, whatever. Clouds are all dark. And it's been raining on and off all day today. Not really all day, since like 5th hour at school. And walking to 6th hour, which is a pretty long walk, I got dress coded because the shirt that I'm wearing got like wet and got see-through. And so I had to put on like a big football shirt, which was gross, but it was only for 1 hour, so that's nice. You guys want to see my dad's new car? That's it. It's a Hyundai Elantra or something. He thinks he's so cool because he has new rims, but like, I mean, not new rims, but like rims that weren't originally on the car. I don't know. I don't really know rim brands or anything about cars, but he thinks they're cool. I think they're weird because who puts nice rims on like a car like a Hyundai? I don't know. But yeah. So it's raining and I went to the grocery store for a few hours, but didn't bring my flip to school or anything today. I forgot it. Phoebe's inside. Phoebe. Phoebe. Phoebe, poopy shmoo. It's okay, I'm coming. Okay. Hey guys. Or I already said that. But anyways, so to go along with this rainy day, I made myself a cup of coffee. I like a lot of creamer in my coffee. But I got new coffee creamer at when I went to the grocery store. It's they brought out their Christmas ones, which I love the Christmas coffee creamers because I drink coffee a lot. And this one is called Sugar and Spice, and it's really good. I don't like it as much as I like the peppermint, but my dad didn't want peppermint this time. And they don't have eggnog, which I don't know if they're not going to bring that out this year, but I usually do like the eggnog one. But yeah, so I'm going to enjoy my coffee in my 70-degree weather while it lasts, because I'm sure I'll be back up in the 90s by tomorrow morning. Look at this! This is so crazy! Look at that table on the ground! Oh my god, we're in the backyard. Look at this, that's nice too. The tail. Holy. Oh my god! They're freaking. Ah! What? Look how big they are. That's the biggest tail I've ever seen. Gosh, look, there's a rainbow now. Isn't that cool? I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's
further that way.
Pretty huge.
Really
holy shit, that's the hugest rainbow I've ever seen. Baby, get back over here. She's gonna go wet. That's so cool. That's okay, I think it'll be fine. Okay, it's an entire rainbow. And there's the beginnings of a double one you can see. That's so cool.
Now it's breaking up a little bit. But you can see the clouds coming through.
Yeah. But that over there is freaking amazing. Like, I've never seen a rainbow that bright.